In today's video, I'm going to show you how I create my own foam soap. I also made my own hand sanitizer according to the CDC guidelines. I'll link that video in the description box. My channel, how's everybody doing today? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my own foam soap. This is a Dow soap dispenser that I've kept from a previous purchase. Instead of buying the ones on Amazon, I just keep the ones I already have. And this is some brush shampoo from Elf that I did not like, and I went and purchased this soap refill from the Dollar Tree. I used that to create my foam soap. So I don't have any measurements. I've seen a couple of videos on YouTube, but this is how I do it, and it's been working for me. I just coat the bottom of the container with soap. Of course, you can use more soap than I use, but that's all I use, and it's been working for me. So I use soaps and body wash and things that I no longer want. Say you buy a body wash that you don't care for, you can use it to make you some foam soap. All you're doing is washing your hand. You putting this body wash on your body, so washing your hands with it is just as good. So I'm using this brush shampoo that I do not care for, and once I coat the bottom, I just add water, and then that's it. The dispenser is the main thing that makes it foam. So I don't shake it up. I just mix it together by rotating it. And it's been working for me, and I mean, it lathers up good and everything. So I just wanted to stop by and show you this little trick that I do. I had been meaning to make this video, but now that we're in this crisis, I thought it would be appropriate to go ahead and make it now, since there's such a shortage of soap and hand sanitizers. So that's it. I got it all foamed up, and as you can see, it's working. So this is Mrs Vee. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm gonna always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day. Instead of running to the stores, exposing yourself to viruses, shop your home for some of these items. You'll be amazed at what you have accumulated over the years. All right, so you can get